Hello guys, welcome to Geeks. Today our topic is how you can add any program shortcut key in right click menu. If you have already not subscribed our channel, please like our videos and subscribe Computer Geeks. For this purpose, initially you have needed Registry Editor for Windows. We are going to Registry Edit via Run Dialog Box with Window plus R key. For Run Dialog Box, type here the exact command for Registry Edit RE. Yes. Now this is Registry Editor pane for editing the registry for Windows. Now you need to go into HKey classes, root directory, then background and then shell. We have to jump into following directories. This is our first one, HKey classes root, then search here via D directory. This is our directory. Go into this directory, then background. This is our destination shell. Right click here shell and create a new key. Now type here the exact command for that specific program. Suppose I want to create a shortcut in right click menu for MS Excel. Type here MS Excel. Then right click here and type here new key. Now under MS Excel directory you need to type here command, create a directory for command for that specific program. Now you need to modify the path. You need to paste the path of that specific program which you want to create shortcut. Type here Excel. Right click on Excel, open file location. Now this is our Excel exe file. Right click on this and then go into properties. Now this is target file location with double commas and exe. Copy exact the file location, close it. Now paste here the exact target path for that specific Excel program. This is Excel program with .exe and be careful for double commas on both sides. Then press OK. Now the shortcut has been created successfully. We will try it. Right click on desktop, show more options. Now this is MS Excel. This is a shortcut which we have created. Click on MS Excel. Now the program has been running. In this way you can add multiple programs in your right click menu. Thanks guys for watching and learning.